Hello! Testing out this knife here. I'm going to be carving an apple. This apple is going to turn into a mystical creature. Here we go. Okay. Now, I'm going to be switching over to a cutter like this. This is a dragon shape. And the cutter's a little bit bigger than the apple, so we're actually going to bend the cutter and try to fit this. I'm just saving my hands here using this bench scraper. Aha! Can you see it? Okay. Now, two choices. We either pull it out and repeat, or else continue to push it through. Okay, we're going to trim this up a little bit, and then we're going to finish the carving. Okay, that is the beginning of a dragon, and we're just going to try to make him a little more 3D, and we're going to add some wings to him as well. So for the wings, we're just going to take this apple and we're going to try a couple things. First, we're going to use half this apple. We're going to make these stand up like this. Okay. And we're going to do slices, very thin slices. The top of the wing should probably have a little bit of a pattern to it, about like this. Knife is really wicked sharp. Okay. Okay, that's one of the wings there. I'd really prefer one more slice. Oh, there we go. Okay. we go. Okay, so I got this cool round cutter set, and I'm going to use a round cutter to get a little more height out of this apple for the base. So we can use any size we want to, but we want to go pretty big, and maybe we'll do a couple of them here. Let's see. Yeah, we'll do these two right here. Oh, these three. All the tools I'm using, by the way, are in stock at the sponsor. Okay. We're gonna cut this apple a little bit. We're gonna cut it into some layers like this. Okay, now we're gonna cut each apple into a small ring. These cutters are pretty nice and pretty sharp. Sometimes you have a hard time cutting through the skin. You just flip it over on almost any fruit and it'll work better the opposite way, because then you get a little more leverage on the cutting board. Okay, there we go. Pretty cool. Okay, so we got the medium. And the large. Okay, so we got 3 circles for a base. It just looks cool, that's all. All right, my dragon's gonna be standing on there like this. Okay, and we're going to add the wings. As well as a little bit of a tongue coming out. So for the eyes, we're just gonna visualize where those eyes would be, right up about there. A very small hole on each side. Just gonna add a little bit of the red apple color. Okay. Like this. Okay. Dragon eyes. There you go. And for the tongue, we're going to use a piece of our cut ring right there, and I do believe a dragon should have a forked tongue. So we're going to cut that out right here. Cool. Kind of big. Let's trim that baby down a little bit. Open up the mouth. Say ah. There you go. Okay, I think you can visualize the dragon. All of the tools used, of course, are in stock at your sponsor. This cutter is in the 80-piece garnishing set, and these knives are amazing. This is a Type 301 Chroma by F.A. Porsche. Wow, very, very sharp. Love the balance and the feel. And I'll be right back to plate this up for you. Okay, I've also decided to add some small, tiny wings to two spots on the dragon here. We're going to put a couple of them right here and a couple of them back here. Might as well make it look good and as I go along. Okay. That's good enough. Too big. And there is my finished dragon. This is the first one that I've made, like I said. Just wanted you to see it. I'll probably be back to do some more. However, well, I think it's kind of cool. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Subscribe. By the way, this is one apple, and just use a knife and a cutter. There are no tricks or toothpicks or anything holding it together, just simply an apple. Dragon. Please visit your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.